This is KCRW 89.9 FM. We have activated the emergency alert system at the request of the Los Angeles County Emergency Management Agency, the Los Angeles Police Department, and the Los Angeles County School District. Please stand by as the following message will save your life.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles County Emergency Management, the Los Angeles Police Department, and the Los Angeles County School District. Residents within a 2.9-mile radius of Los Angeles must stay in your homes. Reports of a peaceful protest taking place in Los Angeles and surrounding areas are being made. The protesters are between the ages of 10 and 17. TGA and reason why the protests are going on is unknown, but it's believed that it's back to school season and the day is August 1st, and it's believed that the protest is happening so the first day of school can happen another day. Do not go outside at this time, as the protests could become riots at any moment. If a riot were to occur, do not participate. Stay tuned to this radio station for more information.
Gamers, the new game of the week delivers that fresh, new game smell every single week. This week, play Avatar Fortress Fight.
Following messages transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles County Emergency Management, the Los Angeles Police Department, and the Los Angeles County School District. The protests that took place earlier have now become riots. Stores are being looted and injuries are starting to be reported. Stores like Walmart, Target, Savers, and Benny are all starting to be invaded. It is believed that it is the back-to-school season starting. School is expected to start in Los Angeles County on August 11, 2007. And the rioters are trying to push the date back to a later date. The Los Angeles School District is trying everything to prepare the students for the 2007 to 2008 school year. But the riots is overwhelming the school district. Residents are advised to stay home. Do not participate in the riots. I repeat, do not participate in the riots. If you do, you will be arrested without question or shot on sight. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this situation.
And no third-party fees, no title or escrow fees, absolutely no closing costs.
Presenting Fall Fashion, fresh from the Savers collection. Find the perfect wardrobe, tailored to your taste, selected for your style. More pieces arrive every day. Choose from
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Emergency Management. This is a statewide priority activation of the emergency alert system. The riot switch has been going on because of the back-to-school season starting, and it being August has worsened. Multiple stores has been invaded by kids and teenagers because they have back-to-school supplies. Stores like Walmart, Target, Savers, JCPenney, and many more are being invaded. What began as a peaceful protest to push back to school to another day turned into a statewide
riot in stores. Injuries are being reported minute by minute. As the situation worsens, residents are advised to shelter in place immediately. Stay away from any stores that has back-to-school supplies. And don't go back-to-school shopping at this time. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
Take a trip through history with HistoryTravel.com. Follow the path of our soldiers from Normandy to
Step of the way. New Balance. We fit kids.
Beaches All-Inclusive Family Resorts is a proud sponsor of Sesame Street. Together, we are helping children learn and share in new discoveries that inspire a brighter world.
Sesame Street is also brought to you by Earth's Best Organic, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and viewers like you. Thank you.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Police Department, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the Clark County Public Schools. Anyone within a 2.5-mile radius of Las Vegas Public Schools are advised to stay away from it immediately. The back-to-school riots, which originated from Los Angeles, California, has spread to the following states: Arizona, Idaho, Montana, Nevada, Oregon, Utah, Washington, and Wyoming. It has been officially confirmed that the protest is a result of the back-to-school season starting. Tires are being looted. Injuries and fatalities are being reported. Schools are being damaged and destroyed, and homes are being broken into. Most cars have been with damaged or destroyed. The rioters are between the ages of now 6 to 29 years old. The first day of school is officially canceled until the situation is settled. Due to the nature of this situation, a statewide curfew has been placed. No one is allowed outside between the hours of 9 p.m. to 7 p.m. Anyone caught outside during these hours will be arrested and prosecuted with no question. Residents are advised to shelter in place. Do not participate in the riots. I repeat, do not participate in the riots Participating will result in injury or death. Stay tuned to the station for further information on the situation.
Warning, listening to KBULFM Carson City, Reno, Sparkling Tow. May cause burning, itching, losing, weeping. Not intended for heart patients. No, what the heck? Our station is definitely worth the risk.
From coast to coast to make you smile. A real light look at each of you.
National Information Center statement. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Department of Education, and the United States government. The back-to-school riots have officially spread to the central United States, destroying property and causing harm. The cause of the back-to-school riots is back-to-school season starting. School is canceled for the western United States and delayed for the central United States. Curfew is now in effect for the western and central United States. No one is allowed outside between the hours of 9 p.m. and 7 p.m. Anyone caught outside between 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. will be arrested and prosecuted while questioned. It is expected that the back-to-school riots will spread to the eastern United States in the coming hours. If it happens, a national emergency action notification will have to be issued. Residents across the central United States is advised to shelter in place. Do not participate in the riots. I repeat, do not participate in the riots. Participating will result in injury or death. Stay tuned to this station for more information.
Rated everyone 10 and up.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All these participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been
been discontinued during this emergency. This is KCRW 89.9 FM. This cable system will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Los Angeles area. If you are not in the Los Angeles area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station or cable system in your local area. This is an emergency action notification. This cable system has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most cable systems will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KCRW 89.9 FM. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. This cable system will be discontinuing programming. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. Stand by. The President of the United States and of his representatives will speak shortly.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following message I'm about to give you is given authorization to be released at the request of myself, the Department of Education, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The past 4 days has been the worst 4 days in American history. At approximately 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the riots, known as the back-to-school riots, which originated from Los Angeles, California as a peaceful protest to push the first day of school to a later date, has now spread to the eastern United States. Alaska, Hawaii, and all U.S. territories are reporting back-to-school riots. Everyone aged 5 and up are rioting across the country. Looting, destruction, injuries, and deaths are being reported. Stores, schools, homes, buildings, and vehicles are being damaged and destroyed. Never thought that back-to-school can cause that huge of a disaster across the country, but it did. All schools across the nation is closed as riots are ongoing. The first day of school is officially canceled across the United States. I have placed United States under a national state of emergency, and the nationwide curfew is in effect. No one is allowed outside between 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. If anyone is caught outside between 9 a.m. and 7 a.m., you will be arrested, prosecuted, or shot without question. I advise all residents, no matter where you are, to seek a underground shelter immediately. Take a set of supplies to last you for 14 days, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, cell phones, phone chargers, flashlights, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. I know our nation is under attack by riots, but our nation will thrive, rebuild, and come out stronger than ever. This ends my message. Normal programming will still resume. Stay tuned to this station for further information.
Big Brother, sponsored by FireDog, for home theater, PC services, wireless, and more. Available at Circuit City.
Get back to school with FireDog only at Circuit City. No matter where you...
Emergency action termination. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States Department of Education. This is an all-clear message. The back-to-school riots, which has been going on the past 5 days, is all officially over. Police threw tear gas at all the rioters and 500 people
mainly people aged 15 and up, have been arrested. The other rioters decided to stop their destructive rampage. 1,275 people have been killed, and 286,838 people have been injured. Due to this, you are free to exit your shelters. Unfortunately, there is minimal damage done to the country. All buildings are not completely destroyed, but some old unstable ones are. The curfew has also lifted. Thank you for your participation. Regular programming will now resume.
Uncomfortable. It's that itch you can't scratch. The odor you think everyone will notice.
Vagisil understands. Maximum strength Vagisil cream relieves itch instantly, and Vagisil even eliminates odor. So you can be the woman you want to be 100% of the time. Vagisil, 100% woman, 100% of the time.